Welcome to XYZ Tech, where we dive deep into the critical topic of internet privacy and security in 2024. In this digital age, safeguarding your personal data online has never been more crucial. We're witnessing an unprecedented era of cyber threats and data breaches. But fear not, as there are effective ways to protect your digital existence. Today, we'll explore the fortress of internet privacy and security in 2024. Let's start by understanding why internet privacy is so vital in our modern world. Your personal data is a goldmine for cybercriminals and corporations alike. From social media habits to browsing history, your digital footprint is constantly under surveillance. This surveillance can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and even personal harm. Now, let's look at the latest trends in internet security. With the rise of smart devices, securing your home network has become a top priority. Phishing attacks have evolved, becoming more sophisticated and harder to detect. Artificial intelligence is playing a significant role in both attacking and defending digital assets. Encryption technologies have advanced, offering stronger protection for your data. But it's not just about technology, awareness and education are key. Understanding the common cyber threats helps you stay one step ahead. Simple habits like using strong passwords can significantly boost your digital safety. Regularly updating your software is an easy yet effective security measure. Let's discuss the role of governments and corporations in this scenario. Data privacy laws are being strengthened worldwide to protect individual rights. Companies are investing heavily in cybersecurity to safeguard their customers' data. However, there's a fine line between security measures and invading personal privacy. Balancing privacy and security is a complex, yet necessary, task for a safer internet. Delving further into protecting your personal data online, let's explore effective strategies. The first step is to be mindful of the information you share on the internet. Think twice before posting personal details on social media or other platforms. Using a virtual private network, VPN, can greatly enhance your online anonymity. VPNs encrypt your data and hide your IP address, making your online activities harder to track. Another key strategy is to use multi-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just a username and password. Regularly backing up your data is crucial in case of a cyber attack or data loss. Cloud storage solutions offer convenient and secure ways to back up your data. Be cautious of free Wi-Fi networks, as they are often unsecured and vulnerable to attacks. Installing a reliable antivirus software is a fundamental step for digital protection. Educating yourself about the latest cyber scams can help you avoid falling victim to them. Remember, no organization will ask for your sensitive information via email. Let's not forget the importance of securing your smart home devices. Many of these devices lack robust security features, making them easy targets. Changing default passwords and regularly updating device firmware can mitigate these risks. It's also essential to review the privacy settings on all your digital accounts. Limiting the amount of data apps and websites can collect about you is a smart move. Supporting companies that prioritize user privacy sends a strong message to the market. And staying informed about new security technologies and practices is vital. As internet threats evolve, so should our methods of protecting against them. Safeguarding your digital existence in 2024 requires a combination of technology, vigilance, and education. Now, let's explore the future of internet privacy and security. Emerging technologies are reshaping the landscape of digital protection. Blockchain technology, for instance, is revolutionizing how we handle personal data. Its decentralized nature offers a new level of security and transparency. Biometric authentication is becoming more widespread, from fingerprints to facial recognition. These methods provide a more secure alternative to traditional passwords. Quantum computing poses both challenges and opportunities for cybersecurity. Its potential to break current encryption methods means we need to develop quantum-resistant algorithms. The Internet of Things, IoT, continues to expand, connecting an ever-growing number of devices. This interconnectivity, while convenient, introduces numerous security vulnerabilities. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are becoming crucial in detecting and responding to cyber threats. These technologies can analyze patterns and predict potential security breaches. However, the same technologies can be used by cybercriminals to create more sophisticated attacks. Privacy-preserving computation methods, like homomorphic encryption, are gaining traction. They allow data to be processed without ever being decrypted, enhancing privacy. 5G technology is bringing faster internet speeds, but also new security considerations. With increased speed and connectivity, ensuring secure data transmission is paramount. The role of government regulation in privacy and security is a contentious issue. Some argue for stricter regulations, while others advocate for a more hands-off approach. Public awareness and understanding of these issues are crucial for effective policy making. Ethical considerations are at the forefront of technological advancements in this field. Ensuring that new technologies respect individual privacy rights is a complex but necessary challenge. As we move forward, collaboration between industry, government, and the public will be key. Only through collective effort can we ensure a safe and secure digital future. As we conclude our journey through the fortress of internet privacy and security, let's solidify our understanding. Empowering yourself with knowledge and tools is the first step in defending your digital life. Adopting a proactive approach to cybersecurity is no longer optional, but essential. Incorporate the practices we've discussed into your daily digital routine. Remember, even the most advanced security measures can't replace cautious online behavior. Staying updated with the latest trends and threats in cybersecurity is crucial. Participate in online forums and follow tech news to keep yourself informed. Encourage your friends and family to take internet privacy seriously. Sharing knowledge and resources can make a big difference in our collective security. Consider supporting organizations that fight for digital rights and privacy. Your voice and choices can influence the future of internet security. Reflect on the role of digital privacy in your life and make conscious choices. Challenge yourself to learn something new about internet security regularly. XYZ Tech is committed to keeping you informed and empowered in this ever-evolving digital world. We believe that together, we can build a safer and more secure internet for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. Your support helps us create more content like this and reach a wider audience. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay secure in your digital life. We look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future.